Welcome, today we're going to show you how to create a digital business card in Apple Wallet. So there's actually two great websites I'll see from here to do this. The first one is Vice and the second one is Wave Connect. Let's start by Vice. So in Vice, you can actually start by creating a new card and enter your name, job title, company and contact details, upload your logo and adjust the layout until it looks clean and professional. After that, you can save the design and use it inside Apple Wallet. So it's actually very easy. In the second hand on Wave Connect, you can actually open it and select the option to create an Apple Wallet pass. So you can now import the card you built in Vice, then you can customize the background text colors and add a QR code or NFC link if needed. So you can actually just click on get started from here. After that, you need to actually log into your account. After you do so, it will ask you to add your card. Now you can actually customize it more from here. After that, as you see from here, there will be the option to add the card to your wallet. So, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.